And as Sri Lanka reels from the devastation left behind Cyclone Ditwa, rescuers are racing to clear roads and deliver aid to those affected, with the death toll rising to over 350 and hundreds still missing. India has rushed 53 tons of relief material under Operation Sagar Bandhu. A report.
As Sri Lanka tries to recover from the severe devastation from Cyclone Ditwa, rescuers scramble to clear roads and deliver aid to more than 500,000 people. Cyclone Ditwa, packing strong winds and heavy rains, brought the island nation's worst floods in a decade when it struck last Friday, setting off landslides in the hilly central region. The death toll has climbed to over 350, with 366 missing, official figures showed.
අපේ රටේ දිස්ත්‍රික්ක 25ම වාගේ මේ ස්වාභාවික ආපදාවට ලක් වුණා. ඒ නිසා අපිට නැවත ශ්‍රී ලංකාව ගොඩනැගීමට අවශ්‍යයි මේ තත්ත්වයෙන් මිදලා අපේ රට අපේ මිනිසුන්ගේ ජන ජීවිතේ නැවත නගා සිටීමට අපිට අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. මේ නගා සිටීම ප්‍රමුඛ කරගෙන තමයි අපි ගරු ජනාධිපතිතුමා මෙම අත්‍යවශ්‍ය කොමසාරිස් සේවා ජෙනරාල් කාර්යාලය පිහිටෙව්වා.
Meanwhile, India has sent 53 tons of relief material to Sri Lanka as part of its emergency response to the cyclone under Operation Sagar Bandhu. Rescue operations have been taking place simultaneously. The cyclone also brought heavy rain to India's southern Tamil Nadu, where at least 3 people have died in rain-related incidents. India's meteorological department has issued a red alert as Cyclone Ditwa, now a deep depression about 50 kilometers off Chennai, continues to lash the state, though it is expected to weaken further within 12 hours.